Hello everyone, Lance Iverson with Boat Lift Boss. Here I'll showcase the new updated 2022 install kits for the new 2022 Boat Lift Boss units. In the video I'll show you a step-by-step process of how to take your wheel-driven winch and turn it into our electronic direct drive units.
In the install kit, you'll find the following parts: one keyed drive stub, one double angle bracket, one 5/16 24 by 1 inch hex head bolt, two 3/8 inch 16 by 1 1/4 hex head bolt, four 3/8 inch washers, two 3/8 inch 16 serrated flange lock nut, two 3/8 inch split washer, one 5/16 inch fender washer, and one 8mm machine key. In your install kit, you'll find a couple of additional items. One tube of grease, one tube of thread locker. Hold on to these as we will cover this later in the video. First, let's go over a few safety precautions. Prior to installation of your Boat Lift Boss unit, please thoroughly review the instructions included in the install kit. Ensure that you are using the correct install kit for your Boat Lift's winch box. For compatibility information, please see the install kit title screen at the beginning of the video. Prior to installation, ensure the existing winch box is solidly and safely secured to the boat lift frame. Never connect a Boat Lift Boss unit to power source until installation is complete. Never install a Boat Lift Boss unit onto a compromised winch box. Inspect the structural integrity of the winch box, boat lift, and lift cable. If damaged or missing components are found, immediately cease operation and seek the guidance of your local boat lift dealership or lift manufacturer in the replacement or repair of the components. Additionally, lower the boat lift cradle into the lowest position until there is no tension on the cable. Secure your boat with a rope so it doesn't float away. Before installing your Boat Lift Boss, be sure to remove the bolt from the lower right corner of your winch box. To remove the wheel from the boat lift, remove the fastener from the center of the wheel. Turn the wheel counterclockwise until it unthreads from the winch box. Remove the washer from the winch input shaft and save for future use if hand wheel is ever needed. On most models of winch boxes, the cover on top of the winch box needs to be removed to access the ratcheting brake system. This is the current braking system on the winch box, and it must be removed or disabled or damage may occur. Boat Lift Boss has a built-in braking system. Unbolt and remove the ratchet pawl or tighten the nut to disable the brake. This makes the clicking sound when raising the lift. Reinstall the cover and tighten the hardware. Before installing the keyed drive stub, please apply thread locker to the input shaft of the winch box. Thread the keyway drive stub onto the winch box input shaft and hand tighten. Liberally apply grease to the shaft of the keyway drive stub. Then seat the key into the keyway slot. Remove the black rubber plug from the face of the Boat Lift Boss unit. Align the keyway on the drive stub with the keyway entry slot on the Boat Lift Boss unit. Push the Boat Lift Boss unit fully onto the drive stub. Place a 3/8 inch split washer onto the 5/16 inch bolt, followed by the 5/16 inch fender washer. Insert the bolt into the open hole and thread it into the drive stub to secure the unit to the winch box. Tighten the bolt to 20 pounds of torque. Do not over tighten. Install the double angle bracket to lower right corner of the winch box as shown. Loosely secure the bracket with a 3/8 inch bolt, two 3/8 inch washers, one on each side, and a 3/8 inch lock nut. Hinge the double angle bracket to align with the Boat Lift Boss mounting bracket. Loosely secure the bracket with 3/8 inch bolt, two 3/8 inch washers, one on each side, and a 3/8 inch lock nut. Should the double angle bracket on the Boat Lift Boss mounting bracket not align, or the configuration cause the Boat Lift Boss unit to sit at an angle instead of vertically, the Boat Lift Boss mounting bracket may need to be repositioned. In these cases, it may be easiest to remove the Boat Lift Boss unit from the drive stub first, as the hardware securing the mounting bracket could be hard to reach. Once the Boat Lift Boss unit is properly positioned, tighten all hardware. Now that you've securely fastened everything down, reinsert the black rubber plug. Inspect the structural integrity of the winch box, boat lift, and lift cable. If damaged or missing components are found, immediately cease operation and seek the guidance of your local boat lift professional. At this time, it is important to check that lifting the unit can only be done when the gear head rotates in a clockwise direction. Attempting to lift in a counterclockwise direction may unscrew the unit from the winch box, causing serious personal injury or property damage.
So that's it. We've successfully installed our new 2022 Boat Lift Boss unit using the brand new updated install kits. From everybody at Boat Lift Boss, we sincerely thank you for your business. We'll see you on the water.